Now guys, equipment we are discussing today is these micro spikes. They have this rubber portion and this metal part. These are also a very simple piece of equipment meant for providing very good grip when you are walking on the snow. Because the spikes here go deep inside the snow and they prevent any slip and fall. Now guys, it is very easy to wear these spikes over your shoes. The front portion is marked here on the spikes. So just put this front portion over your toes like this. Pull the rubber part towards your heel and put it on. When worn properly, the spikes on your shoes should look like this. And the rubber portion of the spikes should be completely above your shoe and not below the sole. You should always use these spikes only while walking on the snow and not on any other surface. So guys, we wish you all the best from Team Himalayan High for your next snow trek in Himalayas. Keep trekking and be safe.